Roberts. Thank you for joining us today.
Sure.
Couple of questions. We'll start with the first one. Why are the arts needed now more than ever?
Wow, that's a tough question. So, with a lot of virtual learning going on and sometimes with the fear of students falling behind, the arts actually kind of help kids embrace their learning, and they embrace that by weaving the arts and the standard curricula as well as advanced curricula together, and it creates a richer and a more lasting learning experience. Because I think during this pandemic, people are realizing how important the arts are. You see children doing chalk on their walkways, and they're painting kindness rocks. And, on TV, I've seen kids playing musical instruments, creating dance videos and things like that. So we're seeing, that it's a deep and lasting purpose, and it provides a safe place for students to express their innermost feelings, through the art. And we're all going through this collective trauma and stuff together, and it calms kids. And there's also a social emotional connection.
What are the benefits of an arts integrated school?
Well, I think some of the benefits from an arts integrated program, it kind of helps kids develop problem-solving skills. It helps them with decision-making skills. And then if they're working on a problem that requires them to create a dance together, it helps them with social skills. It helps them with their inventiveness. And then when, arts is integrated with other disciplines, it reaches students who might not otherwise be engaged in classwork, because doing the art and connecting it to something else, it boosts their critical thinking. And, it's not just elementary, but the arts provide challenges for students at all grade levels.
The teachers and staff work really hard to create an environment that's conducive for creativity in the arts and in the academics, through problem solving and generating different ideas. And the students really respond positively to each other within that creative culture.
The culture, I've been at Miller South, this is my 12th year at Miller South, and to me the culture is like no other building, because we're all accepting, all of us are there, staff and students alike, for some whatever unique reason we're there.
The energy is what makes Miller South what it is. It has this intense electrical energy that is palpable when you walk into the building. And it's so engaging and pulls you in, no matter if you teach there, no matter if you're a member of the community, and the students. So it kind of ties us all together.
Culture at Miller South is very unique to Miller South. And the way I would describe it is passionate. All of the students that come to Miller South have a passion for an art area, or they're passionate about music, or they're passionate about keyboarding, and they all bring this intense love of something.
At Miller South, I think what makes us unique is our staff and students are filled with energy and excitement and enthusiasm for learning. When you walk in the halls, they actually feel like they hum. Teachers challenge themselves and their students to be the best that they can be, but all that within an environment that's really supportive and trusting and caring. We really, truly do feel like a family.
And the teachers also bring passion. So the teachers in the arts fields love their field. The teachers who teach math or science or language arts, we also love and are passionate about what we teach. And I think that really makes us so unique, because everyone there has the same thing in common. So we all have an extreme passion that we like to share with each other.
Our gifted program is actually unique within the district. We have our 4th and 5th grade gifted program and our 6th, 7th, and 8th grade program. And students get to have those classes as part of their daily schedule, which is just a wonderful intervention on that daily basis where they get to have that challenging and creative learning within a unique environment.
Most of the teachers have some connection to the arts through their own lives. And I think that part is kind of what makes it unique.
The arts are infused in everything we do. It's not just some special that the kids get to attend once a day. It's the foundation for all our learning. And it's a great equalizer and makes things exciting, and students really reach for stars that they never thought they could achieve. And we don't, I think people think that if you come to Miller South, you want to be a professional artist, but that's not the truth. It's more about learning the love of the arts and what joy they bring to our lives.
The visual art program, we actually teach a whole lot of life skills. So, they obviously learn extensive art skills, which could go into designing your house or doing projects within your house, decorating it, critical thinking, creative thinking, problem solving, attention to detail, and all of these things can go into any profession.
One is I feel like they would have better concentration. There's a lot of coordination skills that they're going to get with piano because you have to use both hands and feet, ears and eyes. I think you become a more caring person when you play the piano. You get to understand ensemble versus solo, and you're interacting with other people.
In terms of the life skills that they take from our program, I think that choral music is so important because, unlike so many other things in our life where it's driven by how you do, your own individual achievement, that's part of what we do. But after working hard to develop your own individual voice, in choir, we all come together, and for a choir to be successful, we have to give of ourselves a little bit. We have to step back and say, how can my voice contribute to the greater good of this choral ensemble? And, I say to my kids every year, our goal is not to sound like 30 to 50 individual voices. Our goal is to sound as one voice.
Of course. So at the Miller South band program, being in an ensemble naturally unites us, and the students are so united together, not with just working on teamwork, but natural leadership skills are born through that process. And they are all developing their passion, because when a lot of students, when they come to Miller South, they haven't played an instrument before. Some of them join in the 5th grade as a double interest area. So some of them, it is a new thing, or if they had known it before, they had not known much more music beyond Twinkle Twinkle. So they're developing their passion, what styles of music they like, and that is such a cool thing to have the students get to experience.
Well, beyond the actual dancing, obviously, they're learning those skills and technique classes, but the life skills they're really learning are how to collaborate with others, how to communicate. We are not a program where we promote solo work. We dance as an ensemble. We rehearse as an ensemble, and we also choreograph as ensemble members. It really promotes creative thinking. They're not just repeating steps that I teach them. They are also learning the process of choreography. They're learning how to create on their own. Goal setting is really important for any artist, but dancers have to train really hard. They have to be self-disciplined, and that's a big thing. Also, having that art form is a positive outlet. It lets students discover themselves in a way that sometimes schools don't allow that, because it's one size fits all. What box do I fit into? And in Miller South, we really promote that there's a place for everybody.
The idea of goal setting is very, very important in strings. I have the pleasure every year of starting a kid in 4th grade with an instrument. I put the instrument in their hand for the first time, and I watch them progress and grow over the course of 5 years with me. These students then continue on into high school. I have students who are still playing in college, And I even have some students who are professionals. But I think the life skill of learning to play an instrument, playing in a group, goal setting, and just making new friends is great. And the wonderful thing about Miller South is that in our band and orchestra program, we have students from every art area involved. They actually get to do two different things.
The life skills that students gain by being in the theater program here at Miller South are definitely collaboration and communication. I think the biggest thing that students will take away is communication and learning how to talk with each other, to work through problems, to work together. A lot of projects that we do here in my program require them to work with people they wouldn't normally work with, or people who have different strengths and weaknesses than they themselves have. And I think that those kind of relationships and those partnerships build on things that they need to grow on. And it helps them figure out new ways to communicate with people and to collaborate.
When students take the exploratory arts classes at Miller South, there are so many lifelong skills that they're learning along the way to explore their way through the different areas. They're learning to appreciate all of the greater areas of art and become really well-rounded, respectful members of the community, and learn to appreciate what their peers are doing as well. And those are things they can take with them into adulthood.
So open enrollment's handled at the district level through Akron Public Schools, and the window for open enrollment is on October 26th through November 20th. During that time, families will visit the district website for open enrollment, and we have a link on our school website as well, and they will apply to attend Miller South. They will choose one interest area in which their child would like to audition for, and once they complete this process, they will be given an email from the district which has a link to a form that is school-based, where they will answer specific questions regarding that area they selected on their open enrollment form. They will submit our school-based form between October 26th, when that open enrollment window opens, through December 4th. And once they have uploaded all their materials and they've completed our school-based form by December 4th, we will contact them to schedule an interest area-based audition between the dates of December 5th and December 12th, where they'll meet one-on-one or in a small group with that interest area teacher. They will assess their skills based on a rubric, and we'll provide feedback to the family in the middle to end of December on if they are accepted into our program at our school. If you don't have technology, you can email millersouthstars@apslearns.org or visit our school website at millersouth.akronschools.com. You can reach out to myself or Mr. Sims, our assistant principal, and we'll be happy to set up an appointment for you to come to our school where we can get you the technology in hand as well as internet access to complete the necessary forms. We can also take physical documents and scan them electronically and make copies for you as well.